Hi friends, welcome back to my channel on statistics. If you are seeing my videos first time, then do subscribe. Let's go to the topic. In this tutorial, I am going to explain introduction to business statistics. In the my channel, lot of playlists are there related to the statistics. First, introductions to statistics on statistical inference and introduction to R, introduction to XPSS, and introduction to biostatistics, all things. This is one of the my new playlist for introduction to business statistics. What is the main purpose of business statistics and all things also we can discuss it in this playlist. What do you mean business statistics means? Generally, business statistics topic comes under either masters in commerce or in BCom. Okay, or in BCom. Okay. If you take MBA, in all branches also business statistics is confirmed. Then BBA, few courses in master courses like PG diploma courses in business analytics, everywhere business statistics course is important. Mainly I will explain these topics. I prepared for 10 topics in this playlist. Mainly I explain about introduction to data, statistical data. Then we all know the central tendency and measures of dispersion. Then some descriptive measures means what are the skewness, kurtosis, correlation, regression, all things also I can discuss here. Then introduction to I will give brief introduction about probability. Then I will give brief introduction about probability of distributions. In the business statistics, mainly used distributions are binomial, Poisson, exponential, normal. These four distributions are the backbone of business statistics. Then sampling distributions, we all know that F chi-square and T distributions. Sorry, the here introduction to statistical information I can discuss mainly here estimation and testing of hypothesis related to the business analytics. Then we are moved to the ANOVA means analysis of variances. Then design of experiment, regression analysis. See, I have already lot of videos on statistical data and central tendency, measures of dispersion. If you have any queries, you can see that videos, then ask me. In this playlist I will mainly explain about examples only. I will discuss only examples related to the business. Okay, I will mainly tell you here. I now in this playlist I am not going to discuss about theory part. In this playlist I am mainly discuss about problem means examples or applications, we can say problems related to the business analytics only. Okay, if you take for example I am take the statistical data question, how I am data collection from different companies, different IBM, different are there, I will explain you clearly. Okay, then we are moving to the central tendency, all things. So in this tutorial I am again telling mainly explain about examples only, there is no theory. Okay, I will give you only examples with applications only. I am not going to tell any theory subject. If you need theory subject, you can refer my previous videos. Lot of videos available on statistical data and dispersion in different playlists. In statistics is there. If you need any software skills for business like MBA students, Python is there, R is there. Okay, SPSS. I think in MCOM SPSS software also in there. Then sauce is there. Okay, software questions also I did, few videos I did, you can refer it. Okay, from the next video onwards I will start one examples related to the business analytics only. Thank you for watching. This is just introduction about the business statistics video.